Hey, welcome to Text University. In this quick overview, we're diving into one of the most powerful parts of Text app, automations. This is where your team gets faster, smarter, and way more efficient without extra effort. Automations is your go-to for cutting down repetitive tasks, responding instantly, and keeping things running smoothly across chats, tickets, and everything in between. Let's start with something new and powerful, AI agents. They're smart assistants built right into Text app, ready to help from day one. AI agents understand the full context of a conversation, from past chats to open tickets, so they can respond with helpful, relevant answers, not just scripted replies. They can also take action during a chat, like creating tickets, tagging conversations, or handing things off to a teammate. You decide how they sound, what tasks they handle, and what knowledge they use. Now, let's move on to chatbots. These AI-powered assistants can handle multiple chats at once, respond 24/7, and guide customers through common questions or actions. No human assistance needed. You can build one by scanning your website or help center, or by uploading your support content. Setup is quick, and the bot is ready to jump in whenever your team isn't. Next, we have workflows. These automate behind-the-scenes tasks, like tagging tickets, routing chats, or syncing with tools like Shopify and BigCommerce. For example, you can greet new visitors with a welcome message, automatically tag or route chats about specific products, trigger reminders to follow up after a chat. If you're tired of answering the same questions over and over, you'll love canned responses. These are pre-written replies saved by topic or team, ready to use with just a keystroke. They help you reply faster and keep messaging consistent across the board. Now, on to ticket rules. These help streamline how tickets are managed by applying actions like tagging, assigning, or updating ticket status automatically, based on criteria you set. This is a game changer when you're dealing with high volumes of support tickets. No more manual sorting. The rules get tickets to the right people with the right context right away. For instance, if the ticket is open and there has been no activity for 3 days, it can set the priority to high without you lifting a finger. And finally, let's talk about routing rules, your chat traffic controller. These automatically assign incoming chats to the right team based on things like the customer's location, the page they're on, or which website they came from. For example, route chats from your pricing page to sales, or send Spanish-speaking visitors directly to Spanish-speaking agents. It's all about being faster, more relevant, and staying organized. That's a wrap for this quick look at automations. See you next time.